Unraveling the Secrets to Wealth, Where to Begin. In the inaugural episode of Unraveling the Secrets to Wealth, we tackle a fundamental question that often plagues those seeking financial freedom. Where do I begin? Building wealth is not a matter of luck or chance, but rather a structured, step-by-step process. To embark on this journey, it's crucial to establish a wealth-building mindset as the foundation of your financial success. Developing a wealth-building mindset first and most important step in building wealth is developing the right mindset. It's not about focusing on what you don't have, but rather understanding how to leverage the resources you do have. By learning to make the most of your current situation, you can start creating financial opportunities regardless of how modest your starting point may seem. This mindset shift is essential for anyone serious about long-term financial success. Starting small. The key to getting started. A common misconception is that you need a large sum of money to begin your wealth building journey. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, starting small is far more beneficial than waiting for the perfect time or hoping for a windfall. Whether it's a small investment or setting aside a small percentage of your income, the key is to start today, no matter how small the amount. Consistency is what matters. Over time, even small, regular contributions can grow into substantial wealth. The power of time and compound interest. One of the most powerful concepts in building wealth is the time value of money and the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, even if it's just a small amount, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest works by reinvesting the earnings from your investments, allowing them to grow exponentially over time. This principle shows why starting early, even with small amounts, can significantly increase your wealth in the long run. Essential financial principles, savings, budgeting, and debt management to ensure you stay on track with your wealth building journey. It's essential to understand and apply key financial principles. These include savings, budgeting, and effective debt management. Savings allow you to build an emergency fund and accumulate capital for investments. Budgeting helps you manage your spending and allocate funds towards wealth-building activities. Managing debt, on the other hand, ensures that high-interest liabilities don't erode your financial progress. When these concepts are mastered, they provide the tools necessary to make informed financial decisions that align with your goals. Setting financial goals. Another critical component of building wealth is setting clear, actionable financial goals. Whether your aspirations include buying a home, funding your children's education, or preparing for a comfortable retirement, defining specific financial goals helps you stay focused and motivated. With a well-established plan in place, these goals can be broken down into smaller, manageable steps that lead to financial independence over time. Clear action steps for immediate progress to help you get started. This episode provides actionable steps that you can begin implementing right away. Wealth building requires commitment and discipline. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. By sticking to your plan and making small sacrifices, you will see the fruits of your labor over time. The key is to take consistent action and stay committed to your financial goals. In conclusion, building wealth is a gradual process that starts with the right mindset and small, consistent actions. Time, compound interest, and the right financial principles will guide you on your journey. As you begin, remember that the most important thing is to start today, no matter how small the first step might be. If you're eager to learn more about building wealth and achieving financial independence, be sure to subscribe to Capital Insights for more expert tips and actionable insights. In Episode 2, we'll demystify the world of investing. You'll learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. We'll explain the risks and rewards of each and help you understand how to begin making informed investment choices as you continue your wealth building journey.